Hi everyone. Today I am going to give a lecture on engineering physics 2. So in our autonomous syllabus, this engineering physics 2 is specifically designed by considering the needs of an engineer. So as an outcome of this program, student may get to know some knowledge about conducting materials. So what are all semiconductors, where it is useful. So this information can be obtained by a student once you go through this particular semester, that is second semester. So in engineering physics 2, there are 5 units. So the first unit is conducting materials, and the second is semiconducting material, and later we will study superconductors, dielectric, and what are all the new engineering materials are developing by the scientists till now. So here, the first unit is conducting materials. So we all know the materials are specifically classified as conductors and insulators. So there is a common thing which can segregate these two categories, conductor and insulator. So what is that? It is electrons. If electron is there at rest, there is no constitution of current. When electrons undergo motion, current will be constituted. So this information is very well known by us because we have been studying from our school ages. So conductors, so resistance also play a vital part in classifying the conductors and insulators. So when there is high resistance, it is very difficult for the electrons to move through. So those materials are termed as insulators. But whereas in conductors, there may be some less resistance. So conduction may occur. So conductors, there is low resistance. Insulator, there is high resistance. There is in between thing is there, that is the semi-nature, that is semi-conducting materials. It can partially conducting the current. So semiconductors are the material which can partially conduct the current and as well as the heat. And there is also another thing which can classify these three type of materials: conductors, insulator, and semiconductor. That is the forbidden energy gap. So what is forbidden energy gap? There is a gap which can separate the valence band and the conduction band. So if you take all the materials, there are two bands are there. One is valence band and conduction band. If the gap between valence band and conduction band is very high, the electron may find difficult to travel from valence band to conduction band. So there is no conduction at all. So those type of materials are insulator because they are having larger band gap. But whereas conductors, there is superconductors. When you talk about superconductors,